Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Manahal here, and today we are going to be playing Adopt Me, and apparently there's a new update right here. So yeah, we're gonna check that out. But before we start, I just want to say, guys, I'm very sorry that I have not been posting. I've been all over the world, literally. I went to Kentucky, Chicago, Cancun, a lot of things. So I'm very sorry for not playing. We're uploading, but now I'm uploading, so before we start, please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you're notified every single time we post. And comment press all those buttons with your ring finger. I'm gonna give you guys 5 seconds to do that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? If you did, scream unicorn. Well, if you can't scream right now, just whisper it then. Anyways, let's just get on with the video because, I mean, why not? So, parrot, of course, obviously. What is this? No, nothing. So I've not been playing for a very long time. But I'm almost to my golden egg. Who is this? Hello? Oh, okay. Shout out to my cousin. She gave me a unicorn and a couple other things like that. What else did she give me? I think she only gave me a unicorn. Oh well. I'm gonna take out, actually, yeah, unicorn's fine actually. Anyways, I'm gonna pick my unicorn up and we're gonna go to the baby update. I'll see you guys there. Let's transform now. Okay, I don't really know where it is, but I'll just get to you guys when I find it. Yay! I'm so dumb. It's right next to the playground. I haven't seen this for a very long time. Why is there a bubble right there? So let's go. I'll get to you guys when I'm actually there. Yay! I'm here! Finally, I found it. Oh my goodness. Okay. The outside looks really cute. Okay, I'm waiting for everything to load. Oh my god, it's so cute. There's a unicorn! Oh my god, there's a unicorn! Okay, I'm gonna get all these rattles. First. Sheesh, that's expensive. Oh my god. Wait. Okay, I'm buying the llama rattle. Banana rattle. Don't have enough for that. Why the unicorn rattle be so expensive? Okay. I'm just gonna see how much the prices are at this point. Okay, that's expensive. Okay. Oh, where am I going? Okay. These are like. I'm gonna go save up $615 because I really want the unicorn rattle. Wait, how much is the sheesh thing? This one. Hello? This one. Oh, 600. Hello? Oh my god. Really? I have to start the video all over again? Oh my. Okay, good news, guys. I fixed the video. Okay, now we're back where we were. Alrighty, guys. Alrighty. Let's go save up $650 because I really want the carriage, the sheesh, that's even called. Oh my god, what is this? Bruh, I walked past this and I didn't even know Oh, it's just a show. Oh my. Oh no. See? What? Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna try. Okay. What are these? I'm very confused. Oh my god! I got this for free? How? What? Wait. Oh, I can only get one thing. Oh cannon. Wait, what? I'm body composed. I'm very confused right now. Alrighty, guys. Anyways, I think I'm gonna leave this alone. And how much is this? Oh, wait, what? They're free? Is it really? Do I get to keep this forever, or is it temporary? Okay. Wait, I need to get one of those badges. Okay, well, anyways, guys, I'm gonna go do whatever my animal wants me to do. And I think I can actually, the beluga whale, the beluga whale. Okay. And apparently my unicorn wants to sleep on me. So I'm going to do its needs so I can make my way up to 615. I need who knows how much more. I'm too lazy to count, by the way. Anyways, we're gonna be going to the hospital to take care of my animal. So I want to see how my animal looks first of all. Oh, it's on the back. Oh, okay. Anyways, I'm gonna go inside the animal. Oops. I'm going to be going inside of the school. That's what I was looking for. Alright. I'm going to be going inside the school to make. Oh, I can't see the walls. Alrighty. Anyways. Drop pet. Okay. Alright. They're good. Are you gonna eat? Hello? 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 Oh, that's very funny. Oh. Okay, maybe I should put my animal to bed first. That's very funny. The seaweed was food. Oh. Okay. Anyways, besides that, yeah, let's go. I feel very dumb right now. I'm gonna sleep from the chandelier. Alrighty, moms. Alright, mom and boys. Alright, girls and boys. Ooh, shit. Do I really have to go inside my house? I really don't want to walk all the way to my house. Especially. Okay. Anyways, let's go to the park. After I get a big present. Actually, no, that's gonna waste my money, and I'm trying to avoid that. And yeah. So that's all I really wanted to see, guys. The update. So I think that this is adorable, by the way, guys. The outside is pink, my favorite color ever. Like literally ever. But besides that, I think the strollers like a lot of these strollers were inside. No, I don't really have all of them, but yeah. I have the cloud one, no, not the pumpkin, the cloud, the rainbow stroller, which is good because sheesh, yeah, because it's not inside the. You know what I'm talking about, right? You should. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you're notified every single time we post.
Yes, please do it. It will mean everything to my best friend. Was that good?
It was fine.
Okay, good. Bye, guys. Oh yeah, also make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Also so you're notified everything that's in the post. And make sure to, hold on, it's more this way. It's here. Help us keep every whale and dolphin safe and free. Okay, now actually bye, guys.